funny. Speed bumps slow down cars, but I think they actually speed up motorcyclists. Hey, bud. Little kids think it's so cool when you wave at them on a motorcycle. You want a motorcycle ride?
Yeah. Ready? Set, go.
Is that fun?
Yeah. Do it again, Daddy. Do it again.
Hold on tight. It's Rai Rai's turn. Wait till we come to a full and complete stop.
Hey, Daddy, you got your pee.
Rai Rai. Careful, the engine's hot. Don't touch the engine, okay? Is that fun? Yeah? You're right.
That's yours. You do it out someday.
Alright, we're done, sweetheart. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? It's time to put it away.
Daddy, my motorcycle has gas.
It does? Well, tell it to say excuse me. Hey, Ray. What's up?
I took her away from over playing on the scooter.
Well, we'll take them all inside. I'll be in a second. I have to adjust my mirror.